How to use IMO Web on your computer. Want to chat with your friends on a bigger screen using your keyboard? Let's get you set up with the IMO Web in just a few simple steps. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and type IMO, login over here. Tap on it and that will open up IMO for you. And here you can see an option for the IMO. So there's not exactly an option for the login, as we are not going to download the app. Let's try login in the website. Search for the IMO website. Yes, you should be seeing this type of interface in order to log in the web without downloading the app. Now simply tap on login, which is right over here. Let's tap on it and go inside it. Once you're inside, you'll be seeing this type of interface. Now what you have to do is simply enter your phone number right over here, then tap on login. So I really don't have a login password right over here. The thing is that I thought we will be able to log into the IMO website, but it is not possible. As you can see, you have to download IMO APK, and on the login you have to enter the password. So basically these days IMO doesn't require the customers to the client to enter the password or to set the password. So setting the password or entering the password right over here is not possible. So what I have to do is you have to download the IMO app on your desktop or the PC in order to use it. So how you can do it? For that, you can see an hour video right over here on how you can use your IMO on the PC. That will help you, and I think this video helped and cleared out your doubt on if you can use the IMO from the website without downloading the app or not. The answer is absolutely you cannot. You have to compulsorily download the app on your desktop. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.